Morning, Victor. Morning, Amy. It's Daddy here. Okay? Yeah, Daddy had a good sleep. I hope you all had a good sleep. Okay? Good sleep is very important for your guys' health. Okay? Now, Daddy's going to bring you your favorite, and it's Victor's favorite as well. Okay, Amy? You should learn this. It's in Mandarin. 火车快飞，火车快飞，爬过高山，渡过小溪，火车快到你家里，快到家里，快到家里，妈妈看见真欢喜。火车快飞，火车快飞，爬过高山，渡过小溪，火车快到你家里，快到家里，快到家里，妈妈看见真欢喜。Victor, you've been on train journeys several times with Mummy and Daddy, okay? Amy, you've been on train journeys a few times with us. I hope that one day Daddy will bring you to more train journeys. Okay? Right. Love you all. Okay? Bye.